What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been present on YouTube for a good 2 years now, but I'll explain that on another video. But in this video, we're gonna talk about my buddy Isaac's Lexus GS300. This was probably about 2 years ago that we did this video. I just never put it out on YouTube for you guys to see, but it is him Plastidipping his GS300 in matte black, and he pretty much just murders out the whole car, you know, just that black on black look. It looks really sick. So just stick around and watch the video, guys. Peace. Hey guys, this is the first coat of Plastidipped and it's looking good. There is some areas that we did make mistakes, a little drips here and there, as you can see, but we might have a chance of fixing that once it's fully dries. We use some 600 grit sandpaper, scuff it a little bit, and it kind of works. Sometimes it doesn't. If not, we will just peel it off and repaint it, no problem. So we missed this area right here. Fill up some more paint and paint the trunk and finish painting the roof. So yeah guys, it's coming out good. And it's barely 10:43, so it's been 43 minutes since we first started. Alright guys, so this is the second coat of Plastidipped on the Lexus, and it's looking really smooth. Look at that. Looking good, guys. So right now we are outside painting the rims with the gloss black. So we're gonna go ahead and paint that meanwhile as the Plastidipped dries out and gets ready for its third coat. I really like these rims because they look good on the Monte Carlo. Look at that. They look sick. But I don't think they fit, so gonna get ready for paint. Alright guys, so we let this dry overnight. We had stopped at 1 in the morning. We got tired. I had to work. Well, I have to work right now in a bit. So here are the wheels. They're all black. This is the first coat. So still had to hit up with another second coat and scuff up some areas that, you know, didn't blend in right or didn't bond with the metal right, and repaint that, get it ready for a clear coat. So wheels are getting clear coated as well. And for Isaac, he still has 3 gallons left of Plastidipped, so I'm not sure if he's gonna continue on using the rest of those 3 gallons on the car, or he's just going to leave it like that. But I mean, it looks good like that. Then before, it looked way bad, but it's starting to look nice. Actually, I want to see how they look with black rims. All right, let's put that right there. Yeah, they're gonna look nice. He wants to paint the brake calipers yellow, so see how that turns out. But Isaac is gonna come to my house and I'm gonna go to work. So once I come back from work, I'll help him out, finish the car, and get it ready for a Texas 2K. All right guys, we're on the 3rd gallon, and I gotta get back to work in a bit, so Isaac is gonna go ahead and finish off the Lexus. So yeah, you'll see the final results when I come out of work. Modelo time. hitting this street right here. We're gonna cruise it. Like on camera, you can't even see it. It's all black. You see this?